In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI audio and video files. This is a fantastic tool that's excellent for those who want to transform audio files into text quickly and efficiently, making it a go-to for content creators, students, and professionals alike. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to navigate to the Otter AI homepage. You can easily do this by typing Otter Ai into your web browser. This will take you straight to their homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to ensure that you're logged into your Otter AI account. If you're new to Otter AI and haven't set up an account yet, there's no need to worry. Signing up is simple and straightforward. Otter AI often provides free tier options, which are perfect if you're a light user or if you just want to test the waters without any commitments. So, go ahead and choose how you'd like to proceed. Once you're all set up, we can move on to the next step. Now that we're back at the Otter AI homepage, let's take a closer look and find the import option. This is the feature you'll be using to upload your audio file for transcription. Click on it and you'll either see a new dialog box appear or you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage your files. The layout is designed to be intuitive, with everything you need in one place, making it easy to stay organized. Next, you'll be prompted to browse your files. Click on the Browse Files option and a window will pop up showing your computer's file manager. From here, you can navigate through your directories to locate the audio file you want to transcribe. It's important to remember that Otter AI supports file formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A, so make sure your file is in one of these formats for a seamless upload. Once you find your desired file, you can either double-click to select it, or click once and hit Open to proceed. With the file now selected, Otter AI will begin the automatic transcription process. You should see a progress bar or some status indicator showing you that the tool is actively converting your speech into text. This automation is fantastic because it's incredibly efficient, allowing you to focus on planning how you'll make the most of your polished transcription once it's ready. This whole process not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures that you get accurate results without the headache of manual transcription. Overall, Otter AI takes the technical burden off your shoulders, making content creation a breeze. And there you have it! Using Otter AI for your audio and video files is straightforward and efficient. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or a professional, it significantly streamlines your workflow while maintaining high accuracy. Thanks for watching, and happy transcribing!